Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Athena service which is available in AWS. So what is this Athena service? It is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze data directly in Amazon S3. In previous video we discussed about what is S3 service, right? So here S3 is simple storage service. You can store your data into buckets. So whatever the data you have stored into the buckets, if you want to analyze it and you want to get the data from the uh, big data, then you can go with the using this Athena service. So with a few actions in the AWS management console, you can point Athena at your data stored in Amazon S3 and begin using standard SQL to run ad hoc queries and get results in seconds. See, if you have database, if you are working with the database, if you have stored data into the database, then you can write the query and you can get the results from the database, right? So generally, before going to work with the database, you need to install that into system. But coming to this Athena service, without installing any database server, you can store your data into that S3, then you can analyze it. So that is the use of Athena service. So now let us see practically how it is going to implement, how we can implement in AWS. So open your AWS console, then search for Athena. See here I have, so just click on this, click on Athena. So before going to this, what I said, you need to create a bucket in S3. So let us do first that. Search for S3, then click on S3. Okay, so here just click on create bucket. Create bucket, and these are the steps already we discussed in previous video. So just give bucket name. I am giving Athena service. Bucket name as Athena service. So just click on this ACL enabled. Then remove this block all public access. Then check the acknowledgement. No need to change anything. Just click on create bucket. Bucket name already exists. I am giving 26. Athena service 26. So just click on create bucket. So now bucket is created. Okay. So just go to here buckets. So here bucket is created. So now what you have to do is whatever the data you want to analyze, that data, download it from Kaggle. From the Kaggle website, download any data set, either Netflix or students performance or weather forecasting, anything. Just download the data set, any data set from the Kaggle. See, in my system, I already downloaded one of the data sets, that is students performance factors. Once I'll open this, I'll show you what is it to have. See, this is the data we have in Excel, student performance factors, which is downloaded from Kaggle. So here, how many rows are available means how many students information it is going to have, like 6,607 students information is there. Okay. And what about columns? How many columns are there here? 20 columns are there. Okay. So 20 columns like access to resources, attendance percentage, how much they have attendance percentage, and motivational level, internet access, tutoring sessions, family income, all those students, each and every student information it is going to have. Okay. So now we will work with this data and we can analyze that by using the Athena service. Okay. So just close this. Then come to here, bucket. So just click on bucket here. Then click on upload. Click on add file. Then select the bucket, sorry, data set. So here students performance factors. Okay. Select that and click on open. Now click on upload. We'll wait until it gets uploaded. So it is uploaded now. So this is the first step you need to do. Create a bucket and data set, upload into that bucket. Okay. Now go with the Athena. Search for Athena service. So what is this service? It is a analytics service, data analytics service. Okay. So now what you have to do is after opening this Athena service, here you can see tables and views, right? So here we have drop down here. So just click on here. See, you can add that bucket into this Athena service by using like three ways. Means you can analyze the data in two ways, like with the S3 bucket data, or you can create a crawler. Okay. So we are going to discuss with how to use this AWS Glue crawler to analyze the data. Okay. So just click on here, AWS Glue crawler. So here after clicking on that, you are going to get the 5 steps here. These are the 5 steps we need to do. Okay. So first step, we need to create the crawler. I am giving like student performance. Student performance I am giving. So after that, just click on next. And then click on add data source. So now we are selecting data from the S3. Okay, so let it be S3. Not only from S3, you can select from like any DynamoDB or from MySQL database also you can select. So I'm selecting as S3. Then search for that bucket which you have created just now. Click on browse S3. So select this bucket and then click on choose. So now we have option with add data source. So just click on add data source. Second step completed. So next click on next. Now we are going with the third step, that is configure security settings. Okay. So here in this, select the lab AM role as lab role. Lab role, then click on next. Then output database. So I am creating add database. I am creating a new database. Okay, so database also I am giving student performance or student details we will give. Student details. Then click on create database. Okay, it is created now. So just close this window and come here. Just refresh here. So select this, then select the database student details. Okay. Just click on next. So here it will show the all the steps, whatever we have done in previous 4 steps. Crawler properties, we have mentioned student performance and we have selected the S3 bucket and we have created a database. Okay. So just click on create crawler. After clicking on create crawler, it is created now. Okay. Now click on run crawler. Okay. Now it is completed. So after completion of this, you got success. Then what you have to do is, here we have in a previous window. Okay. So just refresh this browser. Still it is running. Please be wait. Here you need to check with the status. See here still it is running. So once you get status completed in this window, go to previous window and just refresh it. See, this I am deleting like previously I have created. So here we got crawler run. Once you completed all steps, then you run the crawler. You are going to get the table in tables. Okay. So now here you are going to get the query editor. So I have given here select a star from the table name. Okay. Just click on run query. So here you can see the data which is available in that data set. Okay. So whatever the query you want, suppose I want to give like attendance is equal to more than 90%. So select a star from Athena Service 2026 where attendance is greater than 90. Okay, I'm giving query. Then click on run. So you are going to get the details of that, like who are having more than 90% of attendance. Okay, so this is the Athena service which is available in AWS. So here Athena service, it is an interactive query service that makes it easy to analyze the data directly in Amazon S3 buckets. Okay guys, so this is the one of the service available in AWS. Thank you for watching this video.